Today we're going to be making a wonderful Go breakfast that's with low-fat yogurt, blueberries, and frosted mini wheats, which is good for fiber. The blueberries are good for carbs, and the low-fat yogurt is a very good source of protein. So we're gonna make this simple breakfast, and you can also use granola if you wanna have granola, and you can also use it for a fun snack. So go ahead, Blake. You're gonna put in 2 scoops of yogurt into your dish. Here, let me help you a little bit. Make sure you want it to layer. Good job. All right, so now you're gonna take some frosted mini wheats and you're gonna put it on there. Good job. And now you're gonna put a little bit of blueberries. You can use your hand if you want. You don't have to use a fork. Then you're gonna do a couple more scoops of yogurt. Good job. And now do another layer of shredded wheat. And then throw some blueberries on top. Very nice. And let's see, you're finished. Yogurt parfait, which is healthy and good for you to eat for breakfast.